Imagine waking up to the sound of birds surrounded by nature in a home that's both modern and self-sufficient. Today, we're taking you inside this stunning off-grid tiny house built on a solid foundation featuring a sleek pitch roof, warm wooden exterior, and massive windows that bring the outdoors in. Welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny house where modern design meets cozy minimalist. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of this beautifully crafted space with sustainable and comfort in mind. As soon as you step inside, you are greeted by an inviting open concept living area, and the first thing you will notice is the incredible sense of space. Thanks to the high pitch ceiling and the expansive window that flood the room with natural light, and the interior is beautifully crafted with rich wooden texture and creating a warm and organic feel. Every inch of this home is thoughtfully designed to make the most of its compact footprint, proving that small living doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. Let's start with the kitchen. Though compact, this space is fully equipped with everything you need, from modern appliance to cleverly placed storage. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. And the large window above the counter not only bring in fresh air, but also offers a breathtaking view while you cook. Right next to the kitchen is a cozy dining area perfect for enjoying a quiet meal or working from home. The minimalist table design complements the overall aesthetic, making the space feel uncluttered yet inviting. The living area is small but functional, featuring a comfortable sofa that doubles as a lounging spot or an extra sleeping space for guests, positioned right next to a large window. This is the perfect place to relax, read a book, or simply enjoy the stunning natural surroundings outside. Now let's head up to the loft. The sleeping area is nestled just above the main living space, maximizing vertical room while maintaining an open and airy feel. The pitch ceiling provides extra headroom, making this loft feel much more spacious than you would expect in a tiny home. The loft is designed for ultimate comfort, with just enough space for a queen size mattress, soft lighting, and built in storage. With the large window strategically placed, you can wake up to breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery every morning. Okay, from its efficient layout to its natural aesthetic, this off-grid tiny house truly embodies the essence of modern, sustainable living. Every element has been carefully designed to create a balance between comfort and practically, proving that small space can be both beautiful and also functional. Okay, well, step inside one of the most stunning off-grid tiny house bathroom you've never seen. With its modern design, natural wood interior, and thoughtful layout, this space proves that even in a tiny home, luxury and functionality can go hand in hand. And the first thing you will notice when entering this bathroom is the incredible sense of space. Thanks to the high pitch ceiling and large window, natural light fills the room, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. And the oversized window not only enhance ventilation but also connects the space with nature and giving you a refreshing and peaceful experience every time you step inside. And even in a off-grid setting, comfort is not compromised. This high-end toilet is designed for both efficiency and sustainability, ensuring an eco-friendly yet luxurious experience. Now let's take a look at the shower cabin and enclosed with glass panels. The shower creates a spa-like experience while maintaining an open feel, and the rainfall shower head adds a touch of luxury, making every shower feel like a relaxing retreat. Proper ventilation is key in any bathroom, especially in a tiny house. The built-in exhaust fan ensure fresh air circulation, keeping the space dry and free from excess humidity. And the vanity area is both stylish and also functional. The elegant sink sits atop a wooden countertop, blending seamlessly with the natural aesthetic of the home. And above it, the minimalist mirror reflects the light, making the space feel even bigger and brighter. Even in a compact bedroom, smart storage solution ensure that every essential has its place. Hidden a compartment under the sink provides space for toiletries, keeping the area clutter-free and organized. Okay, then with its modern design, sustainable feature, and luxurious touch, this off-grid tiny house bathroom is perfect example of how functionality and elegance can coexist in a small space. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas and inspiration, especially about the tiny home design and tiny home interior. Okay, could you see yourself living in a tiny house like this? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thanks for watching until the end. And just wait for my next video in the channel. And have a good day.